In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add inverse FVG with rejections in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work for this tutorial, so just pick the chart you're most comfortable using. Give it a second to load, so everything is nice and clear before you start. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. Depending on your layout, it might say Indicators and Strategies, or just Indicators, but it will be in that general area above the chart. Go ahead and click that. This will open the main Indicators window, which is where you can search for and add any tools you want to use in TradingView. Inside this Indicators window, you'll see a search box at the top. This is where you can quickly find specific indicators instead of scrolling through long lists. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now type inverse FVG with rejections into the search field. Take your time to spell it correctly, because even a small typo can stop the indicator from showing up in the results. As you type, TradingView will automatically start filtering and showing matching indicators below. When you see inverse FVG with rejections appear in the list, that's the one you want. Once you've found it, click on the indicator name one time. TradingView will immediately add it to your chart. You should see new markings or zones appear right away, depending on how the script is designed. If you don't see anything, make sure the indicator is actually turned on by checking the list of active indicators at the top of your chart and verifying that it's not hidden. At this point, you can hover over the indicator name on the chart and open its settings if you want to customize it. You might be able to change colors, line thickness, or visibility on certain timeframes. Adjust these so the zones and rejection levels are easy for you to read without cluttering the chart. If you're using the Pro version of TradingView or planning to upgrade, remember that having Pro helps a lot when working with multiple indicators at once, because you get more chart layouts, more saved presets, and better performance overall. Be sure to check the description of this video for my affiliate link to TradingView Pro. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps me keep making tutorials like this. That's all you need to do to add inverse FVG with rejections to your TradingView Pro charts.